Hi, Kai Larsen here again, talking a little bit more about construct integration and tools created for that. I'm going to jump into a tool called Theorion, developed by Jingjing Li, one of my old doctoral students. We worked on this together. It led to a paper in MIS Quarterly. So all credit to Jingjing here, but I'll do a quick demo. This is the result of collecting lots of constructs automatically from papers. I'll just use this example. I'm interested in usefulness, like I was earlier, and I may here take a look at the items, the definition, and where the citation for this, and this all makes sense to me. So I'm going to grab that construct and start organizing and sorting it. And I might also rename this node and call that usefulness. And of course, I can start organizing other constructs that I want to build into my theory further down. But perceived usefulness seems good. Let's assume that one's good as well. Here's one, and of course you'd want to check every definition and the items fairly carefully. Let's see here, definition. Okay, that's a very wide definition, but we'll take it. I'll see, what else do I want? I'll just stop there. What I can do now is that I can select those articles represented by the constructs that I put in here and build an ontology. I may here start saying, okay, this is usefulness. I'm going to combine the usefulness variables here. Let's see, where is my usefulness from here? It's actually called performance expectancy, but it's the same thing. Save the cluster, maybe do automatic layout, and then start combining other variables that I think are of interest and connected as a way to understand this network. So I think that's about what I wanted to show on that. Just briefly, also just based on the search for usefulness here, you can of course restrict the publication date. You can look at antecedents and consequence for this variable usefulness, and for example, here the consequence are adoption, behavioral intention, information adoption, and intended use. So you could, of course, increase this to 30, see if we get any more, and update. And you get a sense of what variables that leads to in the literature. I think that's going to be all for now, and I'll leave you in my colleagues' capable hands. Thank you. And